Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have another unboxing.
Um, got something here. I want to say this is Coach, but we will take a look. Get this open. So UPS apparently does a little bit better job than the post office because this is in pristine condition, so I'm happy. All right, so let's see. Yay, it is. So I got something from the retail side. So let's see what I got. Let's pull this out. I really like their boxes. Let's see what we got here. So that is my receipt. And I managed to remember to ask for the gift wrapping because I don't always remember to do that. Alright, so here we go. Let's see. See if I can manage to just slip this off. Alrighty. Love that I get a little dust bag. And let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a little extra sticker. Oh, nice. Alrighty. And yes, so they had this marked down. I was interested in this because it reminds me of what it the vintage coaches. And I was thinking that this was might be too small, but it was a really good price. And so when it got marked down, I was like, oh, let me try it. So let's take a look. I think this came down to $147, but I will try to link it or something. And that is the description. All right, so let's do a little walk around. So it's got silver hardware. I am all for the silver. I don't dislike gold, but I do kind of tend to be partial to silver. So we got 2 tags, and these are nice. The Dinky is limited edition, re-edition, 1974. So I do have a couple of vintage ones that I picked up from like eBay and stuff like that, and so it's nice to see what it probably used to really look like. Really nice. I have to say, the vintage ones, the leather does actually tend to feel a little bit better than this. So, but anyway, let's take a look. I love the turn lock. I'm just in love with the turn lock. So, and then genuine glove tan leather. We got this nice big long little front pocket here. Okay, and then we got a nice long back pocket. I am a big purse girl, but on the weekends I do I can survive with these small ones, and this is just so cute. So I can't read that, but maybe you guys can. And it's not a whole lot to see. It's just really, really cute. Okay, it's a simple zip pull. I can put a charm on that. And then back here we got that fabric lining. And then the rest of this is pretty much all leather. Very, very nice. I think I might even be able to put more in here than you can put in some of the tabbies. Probably definitely more than I can put in the tabby 20. I have one tabby 20, and I hardly use it because it's so small. But I paid regular price for that one. I didn't wait for clearance or anything like that. I had to have it. And I didn't want to put out like serious money. So that is what I had to share. Oh, let's look at the strap. And I bought a guest purse that looks a lot like this to me. So let's see. It's really, really nice. So it should be some branding on there. I think I can kind of see it. And there. And then I love the chain. Oh, this is really, really substantial. I'm really happy about that. I mean, the chain, I think the chain is selling for that, by itself. And it's almost like you get the purse for free. So let's take a look, because that is probably how I wear this. I will probably use this chain as a strap. I mean, you could try to use it more like decoration, but I will try to use it as a strap. I know it. Isn't it so pretty? It's really nice. I love this particular brown. It's so cute. So this is the little guest purse that I was talking about, but it's not quite the copy of this that I was thinking. But it's kind of puts me in the mind of this. So they're almost the same size. And of course this is canvas, but there are a lot of similarities. So no, that's just one big open pocket. But anyway, I did do a little unboxing of this. But I just put me in the mind of this. I went and grabbed it right quick. All right, but this is what I had to show today, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.